Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix can't enable memory integrity in Windows 11. So how can you fix that? First of all, go to the search section and search here registry editor. Just open this, and once you open this you will see this kind of registry editor. Let me just make it smaller like this. So once you see this, you just need to go to third option, which is H key local machine. Just right click on it and go inside the systems, which is the last folder. Once you expand the system folder, you just need to go to second folder, which is control set. Just again open it, and once you open it, you will see all these folders. So just again go inside the control folder, and once you are inside the control folder, just scroll down, and you just need to find the folder called device guard. Once you're inside the device guard folder, just open it, and you will see this folder called scenarios. Once you see this folder scenarios, just right click on it, click on new and key. Once you add the key, make sure to add the let me just rename it. What you need to do is just rename it exactly like this. Let me show you the complete name, which is uh, rename, and this one hypervisor enforced code integrity. Once you rename this one, go inside this folder. So inside the hypervisor enforced code integrity folder, you will see this default something a file and in the blank space. Just right click on the blank space, click on new, and you will see this option. So just click on Q word 64-bit value, add it, and just rename it to let's say value, or you can also rename it to enable. Just click on it, double click on it, and set this value to 1 and click on OK. And once you click on OK, after that, you just need to restart your PC or laptop. Once you do that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.